Hello, students. Today we will learn Unit 7, Memory. Let's begin. Memory refers to the ability to encode, store, and retrieve information when needed. The stages of memory are encoding, storage, and retrieval. Any breakdown in these stages leads to forgetting. Types of memory include declarative or explicit memory, non-declarative or implicit memory, and sensory memory. Declarative or explicit memory requires awareness and effort. BRE. It includes working memory, semantic memory, and episodic memory. Working memory is responsible for short-term processing and manipulation of information. Semantic memory contains facts, concepts, and meanings. Episodic memory stores personal experiences and life events. Non-declarative or implicit memory works automatically, without awareness, and includes priming, conditioning, and procedural memory. Sensory memory holds information for a very brief period of time, around 200 to 500 milliseconds. It includes iconic memory, echoic memory, and other sensory registers. The Atkinson and Shiffrin traditional model includes sensory memory, short-term memory, and long-term memory. Attention moves information from sensory memory to short-term memory. Rehearsal moves information from short-term memory to long-term memory. The levels of processing model states that memory depends on the depth of encoding. Shallow processing includes structural and phonological encoding. Deep processing is semantic and leads to better retrieval. Working memory, according to Badley, includes the central executive, the phonological loop, the visuospatial sketchpad, and the episodic buffer. The central executive controls attention and coordinates subsystems. The phonological loop stores verbal information. The visuospatial sketchpad stores visual and spatial information. The episodic buffer integrates information from all systems. Forgetting occurs when encoded and stored information cannot be retrieved. The Ebbinghaus forgetting curve shows rapid forgetting at first, followed by gradual slowing. The interference theory explains two types of interference. Proactive interference is when old information interferes with new information. Retroactive interference is when new information interferes with old information. Trace decay theory states that memory traces fade when not used. Cue-dependent forgetting occurs when cues needed for retrieval are missing. Memory enhancement strategies include mnemonics using images and mnemonics using organization. Mnemonics using images include the method of loci, which uses familiar locations as cues, and the keyword method, which links words through similar sounds and images. Mnemonics using organization include chunking, which groups small units into larger meaningful units, and the first letter technique, such as Vibgyor for the colors of the rainbow. Applications of memory in daily life include autobiographical memory, false memory, and flashbulb memory. Autobiographical memory refers to memory for personal life events. False memory refers to remembering events that never happened, often influenced by suggestion. Flashbulb memory refers to vivid memories of emotionally intense events. You can pause the video and read this revision chart. All the best for your exams.